Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So recently the new iOS 14 software update for the iPhones came out. With that update came out the new Apple CarPlay update as well, and some of the features in the update are absolutely amazing. So I thought I would share with you today how the new CarPlay looks with the iOS 14 update on the new GoldWing, and let's get started and I'll show it to you. So one of the first changes you will note with the new CarPlay is the display colors. And now if we scroll down while the phone's connected into the settings, we can change the wallpaper. So there are different wallpapers depending on what color you like. So let's say by default I have this one, and I can go and change it to this one, yeah, or even solid colors. So there's some choice of solid colors, or I can go and change to any of these colors, whichever I like. So I'll go ahead and change to this one, and then it gives me the reminder set, and that's about it. Yeah, so if I go back, I see the color change, which is there. Okay, red's my favorite color, so I just decided to go with that. Other thing is, I feel that the Google Maps looks better than what it was before. So now the Google Maps is definitely a better looking map than what it was before, and I really like it. Now I think it's in par with almost what the Android Auto offers, so pretty similar to that. One of the great features that I would like to share is that if you go into the Apple's map, let's say we go here, and I've set up a destination already. If I click that blue arrow button that you see there, so enter on the thing, it allows me now to share my ETA. So I can go into share my ETA here and share my thing with, you know, anyone. So basically in my SMS or anyone I would like to share, I can share my ETA with, and they would be able to track me exactly where I am and how far I am from them. So this is an absolutely great feature. Let's say I'm heading down east to my friends who are about I would say maybe 150 kilometers away from me, and by setting that ETA option there, I'm able to show it to them, you know, and share my location. So let's say it's taking me an hour and a half to drive to that location. By sharing it here, I'm able to easily show it to them, you know, where I am. And this is a very good feature. I tried testing and seeing to see if I could share my ETA with Google Maps, but that's not a feature that's available right now. So you can just do it with the Apple Map, but not the Google Maps. Let's go ahead and see how Waze look with the new update. So if we go here and check on Waze, I haven't checked ads. Okay, let's go ahead, click Waze and see how it does look. Interesting. So that's how Waze looks. And you know, I'm assuming we can set a location. Let's just press any location here in Toronto and see.
Have a pleasant drive.
Oh. That's the voice that I've set on my phone, and it's showing the same one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss on any future upcoming videos. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.